I just woke up for the real time. I woke up around like 6 something to feed the dogs and let them out. Went back to sleep. And then now it's like 10-ish, almost 11. And Cooper came up to me and was like, I need to go pee. And then I was like, okay. So I went and let them out. And now I'm back in bed. I checked my email. And school's canceled for tomorrow. So, wow. Wow, 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 wow. So I gotta get all my stuff done today. And tomorrow I can just have a vibe, chill, relaxed time. You know? A relaxed, chill snow day. Watch some movies, some shows, just hang out. And it'll all be cool and fun. It's crazy when they cancel school a whole day before. It's not like, it's usually you wake up and then you check and then it's like, oh yeah, they canceled. But a whole day before, dang son, there's some snow coming. Yeah! Bro, what? What of a mohawk, bro? What the frick? Hi, Cooper. I'm getting a mission log from the homeowners. I guess the storm's gonna be crazy. I have to go do some things. I gotta ratchet down the grill. Figure out how to do that. I gotta hi Cooper. Hey Cooper. I got to do some things. I gotta get the sign off the porch. I gotta take in the shovels. Power might go out apparently. This is gonna be so cool. This is gonna be so awesome. And I don't have school tomorrow. Woohoo! 3-day weekend. Let's go. Let's flip and do it. I haven't eaten yet. It is like 2 o'clock. Going home to work out and have dinner with my family for 6 o'clock. Hoping the storm doesn't start until later. Wanna go out, dude? Cooper, go out. Go out. Go out, Cooper. But yeah, I'm gonna get to that. Hi, Colson. You're cute. Look at you. You're cute. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at you. Doop 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 doop. Hi. What? 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 Itchy. Oh. What? Ratchets are the worst thing ever. I got this thing tangled like a motherfricker. And it's freezing out here and I'm trying to untangle it with my frostbitten fingers. Okay, yeah, I wasn't trying to show anything, Colson. Move your booty, bro. Move your booty, bro. Jeez, man. Chill. You up in my grill. Get it? The grill? Get it? I think I figured it out. Ooh, I'm the wind. I'm the wind. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's locked down. It's locked down. Nice. All right. Sign taken in. Grill ratcheted down. Goofy hair. we're ready for the winter storm. Now I just got to lock in and do my assignments, and we'll be feeling good. I actually have to cook something because I have not eaten anything today, and that would be probably optimal if I fed this meat mech that I pilot every day, especially if I'm trying to get strong. You need to eat strong to get strong. Oh. Yeah. It's yummy. We're up all night to get yummy. We're up all night to get yummy. We're up all fed the pups. I'm gonna let them out and then go home to work out. And eat. And hopefully remember my pull-up bar. Pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar. Pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar, pull-up bar. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. And I texted to like cancel it, reschedule it, because it's going to be a snowstorm. And then they called me. Not relating to my text, I don't think. They just called me because they're closing tomorrow because of the storm. And we're like, hey, would you want to do a call? Like instead of in-person appointment? I said, okay. I don't know how that's equatable to a in-person checkup, but I guess we'll see.
I literally thought Coda was dead.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
He's so cute little.
Coda, you scared me. He was doing this. And like wasn't blinking. He wasn't even looking at me. He was like looking at the chair or something.
He's just gonna die with his eyes open?
My dad did.
Oh.
Well, he did. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, Coda's not dead.
Thank God. Coda, don't do that to me.
This is crazy, bruh. I leave for 2 days and now we got a new shower head. What the frick? It looks like a rain. It looks like a rain head, a rainfall shower, whatever those are. But it's not. But it just goes. This looks like a grid of lasers. Wow, that's so cool. It is a rain shower. What? How's this gonna work? Whose idea was this? Whose idea? Whose idea? You're cute, Coda. Oh my god. Oh my god, Coda. Oh my god, Coda. Oh my god, Coda. Are you dead? Are you dead? Careful! Oh. I saw it. Happy! Thank you, Happy. Time to hit the workout. Just finished. Oh, the circuits are hard. Push-ups into squats, into pull-ups, into lunges, into 45-second plank. I'm dead. I'm not forgetting it. I'm not forgetting it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it with me.
One really quick.
Sorry. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bow, bow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's that? Cayenne?
Cayenne, baby.
Cayenne.
Gotta go. What is it? I don't know.
Not an agency, that's for sure. So I'm back. I'm back with the boys. Cooper. And I forgot. I left the house wearing my goofy out, ripped up, beaten up, seen better days, silly, goofy, ripped up, holy moly, guacamole Crocs. And there's a snowstorm coming. How am I supposed to walk in the snow with these? Great question. And I have to traverse to the house next door, but it's not a normal next door. It's down there. So like tomorrow when it's a snowstorm and I have to go and feed their dogs as well, that's gonna be tricky. Tricky. You're so cute, Cooper. It's set up. I tried to put it on the door to the room I'm staying in, but this hallway is too short for the length of this. That is wild. I couldn't put it like straight out on this door because the hallway is too narrow. Okay, time to lock in. Putting my phone on charge on this little table. And I'm gonna get all my assignments done besides the charcoal drawing, because I don't have charcoal. I don't want to bring charcoal because it's a mess and I don't want to get a mess everywhere. And my Russia stuff. I'll do my Russia stuff tomorrow. But everything else completed. Let's get it. Let's see, what time is it? I don't see the time anywhere. It is 9:13. So start the clock now. See how long it takes me to complete all my assignments except for charcoal and Russia. Привет! Nine! Nope, that's German. It is now 10:47. I just completed, actually had more assignments than I thought I did. I completed 3 assignments for my robot class. So now I have 2 assignments for my education class. That I'll get those 2 done. And then that'll be a solid foundation going to tomorrow. Because tomorrow I can do my Russia stuff. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. If the power does go out, then I can do my drawing stuff. So I have a thing I can draw. I can lay the foundations for the charcoal thing. I can draw it in normal pencil and then I can charcoal it later, and then I have to do a 1-point perspective drawing that I can do, which is easy. So we're kind of locked in. Like I feel the weight being lifted. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good to just submit stuff, you know? Also just bought a ticket for a dance party, a rave sorts. Aurora and I are going to in March next month. In like a month from now. It's on the 27th of next month. So that'll be cool. Don't know what to expect from that, but I think it'll be fun. A bunch of lasers. This. You'll see it. You'll be there. I don't got it. All right, I'm gonna lock back in. Finish these last 2 assignments. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. Oh man. Hopefully finish these before 12. I should. I think I will. Let's get it. I'm just gonna end the video here. It's like 11:30. Almost. Not really almost, but on the way to completing the first out of the 2 for my ed class. So I'm gonna finish those up and then get showered and then sleep. But nothing else is gonna happen, so I'm just gonna upload this so I am on time for the upload and it's not tomorrow when I upload it. Okay.